Nerita ria mbere monanio maya ma kibururi gutafanio kaunti-ini ya Gitaro gia gatagate. Marehete hamwe arutwo kuuma nathari nginyagia aria me makoleji na university. Arutwo aya magwa kiharo kuonania maria mekuhariirie. Mwikariri giti wa monanio maya mwaka-ini uyu Peter wa Njohi augete gugukorwo na mithemba ya nyimbo makiria ya 600.
And one of the advantages of the festival is that it facilitates in the development of various domains of the mind and also personality in our children, including intellectual development, emotional development, social development, moral development, and also aesthetic passion.
Commissioner wa Gitaro gia gatagate Wilson Njega nieranire gikiro kia iguru kia Ugitiri.
And we are saying these facilities where you are, the university, the other institutions, they are alcohol and drug free. We will not allow anything by way of drugs or alcohol to come into these places where we have designated for the accommodation of our students and the pupils.
I also call upon the citizens of Nyeri to come and enjoy this festival. Really, this is not something that happens every other day.
Monanio maya meguthie na mbere nginyagia tariki 18 mweri uyu. Kuuma handu bururi uyu wa Roma marehetwo guku nigetha makorwo makiona unduire wa andu angi nigetha ona magikura makorwo andu a gwitikirana. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ndi thukuru-ini wa Dedan Kimathi kaunti ya Nyeri, jetagwo Martin Munene.